you can ask me why you are not going to upside. Here also gap. Market is close here. Why market is not reverse? Hello friends, welcome to our channel. First, happy Dasara to all. Okay, today we are going to discuss about why the most SMC traders will fail and why they are failing. I just give the brief introduction and what is the confirmation for trade. So, what is the confirmation? What is the reversal confirmation for trading? Okay, simple logic we can discuss. So, most of the SMC trader what they think just they are trying to draw a investment level and like support and resistance traders, price action traders. If candle come and exactly close here, they think the investment was mitigated. That means they are feel liquid was sweep and immediately if get any strong candle or any candlestick pattern, they think SMC plus price action have a inducement was mitigated. We have a engulfing pattern like this. So they think market will move from here. They try to buy from here. Maybe one trade will be win. After that, will market will fall down. They don't know why it's happening. So they just learning the technical names only, the technical placements only. But if really this inducement is strong or not, if really this inducement level is really strong, is this inducement will be hold your trade and only this seeing up this green candle, only seeing up this green candle you are trying to take the trade. So you are also retailer trader. So you are creating the liquid to the market. So everyone, a lot of people think they are learn order block very easily anywhere. You can get, for example, the inducement level is here. The yellow line is order block. One second, I will draw clearly. For example, here is the order block. Okay, this is OB. Okay, this is OB, and this is inducement level. Just imagine. Okay, market is moving downside like this. Okay, it was just reacted and close. It is reacting exactly from order block also. Okay, it was reacting from order block and giving the confirmation. They get one or two candles continuously strongly. So they think order block was reacting, order block is working. So it gives the continuation two candles. So we can go for call option continuously from here. This is the wrong way of thinking. Okay, this is the wrong way of thinking because order block is something here also some kind of support and resistance level also. Every price action trader will try to trade from here. The SMC traders also trade from here. With confirmation, just seeing of 1 second. Without confirmation, just seeing of these green candles, you are trying to take a trades. So easily you are going to be lose the trades because you don't have a confirmation. Okay, and this order block is strong or not. Do you know this order block will hold your trade? It will reverse your market or not. So and one more thing also, the most of the traders will if order block will break. So we are using only 1 minute time frame. You have to remind yourself first. Some people are if order block was broken, so they think the market will move more downside, but not because you are using 1 minute. In 1 minute, there is a lot of manipulations, lot of fake breakouts. So you don't need to market compulsory react from order block. It will break. After that, if you try to take the reversal trade from here, so then market will start the moving upside like this. So you have to know the level, which level is strong, which order block is hold, which investment level is hold. So what's the confirmation? So who are following my YouTube videos, they are know what is the confirmation. See, for example, market is moving upside. This will be our investment level. Just imagine. So and it was coming like this. Below the investment level, if you have any fair value gap, this is extra confirmation. There is a liquidity. So if market close here, just imagine if market close here and this fair value gap level also, don't take the trade. I say many times because this is just reversal area. This is not a reversal confirmation. So what kind of confirmation you need? So that means you need confirmation from this gap. So the from this left side, on this left side, if you get any gap, any bullish gap, for example, you have a fair value gap from here. So this is the confirmation of reversal. So that means fair value gap means what? Stronger. Fair value gap means what? SMC will enter from here. So from here, if you get any kind of trades, let's try to take the trades and not blindly, not seeing only gap. So gaps are everywhere. See, you have a lot of gaps in the market. You have a lot everywhere. Market is creating the gap, but not every gap is going to be whole. So already did a lot of videos about the which one is strong, which one is manipulation. If you have not see the videos, go and watch it. And third point is you have to see the market targets. See, the most people is losing. First, they did not see the liquidity. First point is did not see the liquidity. Even market if sweep the liquidity or not. If market see the liquidity, it will move. If it is not the sweep the liquidity, it will create the liquidity and then come and sweep it. And second point is confirmation. You have confirmation as a fair value gap. Third confirmation is target. Not confirmation. Third rule is target is very, very important. They are trying to just taking from buy option from up to where breakout structure level continuously. If get a retracement, after retracement also they try to take the call option directly. No. So if market target was finished, here is the target. The first pullback is our target. We know that if market finish the target, if market finish the target, you have to wait for the confirmation. You have to wait for the mitigation. Again, it from here we get a confirmation move upside. Again, market target finish. Again, come down. It was moving like it was moving like this way. It was moving like this way only, not straight line. So you have to accept that. Don't try to catch the momentum. Don't try to take the every candle in one pair, in one currency pair, after mediation of OB, after mediation of inducement, if you get any reversal, at least you get 2 to 3 trades is more than enough. Go for another currency pair, you get 2 to 3 trades, more than enough to make the profits. You don't need to take the 100 trades for making the profit. You have to remember that first. So now let's check the market. I will explain what's the confirmation, what is the trap, everything. Okay. Watch the video till the end. You are going to learn lot of things new, a lot of new things that will maybe help for your career. Okay. If you don't have a patient to the watch the video, I can't do anything because depend on the situation. I am not taking any PowerPoint to explain the point to point because depend on the market situation. Market gives a lot of indications. You have to catch it. So when market give the confirmations or information, everything I will try to explain here. Okay. Okay. Let's analyze the market first. Then we can go for the trade. Okay. See, maybe there is a news time. We don't know. See market how it was reacting. After that, market see the liquidity try to moving upside. So here is the one liquidity level. Okay, here is the one liquidity level. Market try to sweep and moving upside. After the moving upside, let's check 1 second. It was creating the gap here. See, this gap is moving upside. It is the gap. It was holding because this is confirmation. After sweeping the liquidity, market will give the confirmation. Now, what is happening here? See, here is the extreme one gap is extreme fair value gap. It was mitigated again sweep, again sweep. So here is a gap. If market any create the downside in the gap, that is our confirmation. We can go for sell side from there. Okay. Let's wait. Even if market create the gap or not, let's wait in this currency pair. Okay, we can go for another one. So every in currency pair, maybe today is very big news. See this abnormal candle. Try to avoid if there is a no good market. Okay, see here we have a extreme fair value gap on here. Okay, this is extreme fair value gap. So after that, if market creating any gap from here, I will try to take a sell trade from here. If market give the any confirmation, after that I will explain what is the reason. Okay, enter the trade here without mitigation also. So have a lot of confirmations. If you see Here also one gap. So it was not broken. It is give the reversal candlestick also. You can ask me why you are not going to upside. Here also gap. Market is closed here. Why market is not reverse? That is the main thing. Market target is here. This is the extreme gap is not holding your trade. I said lot of time. And also I said left side, right side only you can get the confirmation to take the trade. Here see extreme fair value gap is there. It was sweep. Here is the liquidity level. It was sweep and again market creating the continuation the gap up to where it will come up to this level. This is the confirmation. So just because of seeing the liquidity and gaps, okay, just not seeing the inducement level. If you see any inducement level, if you see any order block, there is a no strong level. If candle close there, you try to take the sell trade, you are buy trade, you are going to be loose because you don't know, because market will always try to trap the every trader, not only price action, not only SMC, every trader. Because if you not find the right way, market itself give the information itself, it give the confirmation what it going to be do. See here is the extreme fair value gap. See how it was trapping, it was the extreme fair value gap. It was close here and reacting also. If you take the reversal trade from here, just seeing the extreme fair value gap, you are going to be loose. This is the not way to do the trading, okay? So always we need a confirmation, we have to wait for the some market indication. Without market indication, nothing you can do, okay? See here, if you seeing up this candle, just because of this extreme fair value gap, it was close here and you get a reversal candlestick also. So just by seeing this, if you take the call option from here, you are going to be lose the trade. So don't try to trade on every fair value gap and don't believe every reaction that may be trap also. Okay, market will try to move up to maybe this level from the support level. If from the support level, if market made any green candle, I try to take a sell trade here. Okay, because maybe market will move up to this swing low. So a lot of time I say that there is a swing lows or have a liquidity. Okay, see here is a fair value gap, market was mitigated this gap. Okay, I will change the color. See, here is a gap. Market was mitigated, so it was moving downside. And here also gap. So left side is giving the confirmation. This is the right side. Right side is always one point is remember. Right side giving the targets. Left side giving the entries. This 2 point have to remember. Okay. Okay. Market was target was finished. If I get any entry point, if I get any trade, I try to take a trade and then I will explain the trade. If anyone want to join my course, my contact detail in the description. Okay, I have a public Telegram group also, but I am not providing any affiliate link. I am not providing any signals. And in fact, I am against the signals. So don't depend on the signals. If anyone tell you follow my group, make the profits, no, don't follow them because try to independent trader. Try to learn somewhere, not from me. I'm not saying not only from me. Anywhere you can learn learn properly and try to be independent trader. How much time it take doesn't matter. When you start making profit yourself, that may give you more calmness, more than anything in the world. That is make you more calmness is more important. So try to be a learn something. See here also one extreme fair value gap is here. Size doesn't matter, how much is small doesn't matter. I say a lot of time also. Okay, change the color. Okay, I draw the level. I am waiting for the confirmation. If I get any confirmation, I try to take a trade. Okay, maybe from here I am getting confirmation. Let's see. Market gives a lot of opportunities. Okay, don't hurry to take the every opportunity. Don't try to take the every on every candle that make you lead you loss. Okay, from here if market create any red candle, from here market if create any red candle, I try to take a buy option from here. Mostly it will move upside, but I am waiting for extra confirmation. Okay, Let's see what is happening. Even market close exactly this resistance levels. So what will happen? Sometime market will create the red candle to trap the price action trends because this is downtrend. This is the downtrend. See, it was coming again red candle last second. That's why just not I am not seeing this green candle. I am not taking any trade. Okay, maybe in a news time here it was very much volatile. Okay, wait for the entry, wait for the trade. I try to take a call option from here. Okay, I am not getting entry point. Entry point is very important in binary options. Even you get opposite color candle of your trade. If entry point is good, you are going to be win. So don't hurry to take the trade every time candle closure. So because okay here I have two reasons here to take the trade. One reason is here is a gap, it was mitigated. And second reason is exactly from this sellers area, this red candle is appear. So that's why I take. But one more is negative for me. This swing high was sweep by this week. Okay, this swing high was sweep by this. There is a chances to get one more sometimes also. But I am little bit confidence because of trap trading and I have a gap downside. Let's see what is happening. Maybe see. Okay, I lost here because of the okay. I know this is because of this swing this week. Okay, no issues. Even I lost. I am not losing my confidence. After that, market will move up inside. No issues. Okay. If I get any good entry point, a good trade, then I will try to take a trade. I will explain. Okay, sell trade here. See, I take a one sell trade here just because of see here, I will explain the reason. Market is always move very strongly upside. After that, from here, from this extreme fair value gap, it was mitigated. After that, market creating the gap, again gap, this red candle is mitigated and reversal. So the extreme fair value gap is here. After mitigation of, I just see the retracement and candle. So I take the sell trade, it will move downside. Let's wait. What is happening? I take this is thought trade. I lost the one trade here. No issues. So losses is very common. You have to accept it. When you get the loss, don't panic. Okay. Simple win. See, just seeing the liquidity and fair value gap only. Getting profits. Okay. You learn something new. If you like the content, like the video and share with your friends. If you want any kind of topic, you can comment below. Okay. If you want to join my course, my contact detail in the description. Have a nice day, traders.